how to enable or disable Force RTL layout direction on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on developer options. After that, scroll down and in here, tap on Force RTL layout direction. Tap on the toggle button to turn on, and you can see as soon as I turn on, my text directions change size, and that's it. Now I can tap on that to change it back. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.